Hey y'all, it's Bear. Look here. It's time for battle spam, okay? We're gonna do the dollar store classic luncheon loaf versus spam, the original. And we're gonna use some Kraft macaroni and cheese to go with them. No Dollar Tree macaroni and cheese, y'all. That stuff's nasty. Don't buy that. I did that one time, never again. So let's get things going and cook it up. We're gonna boil up the mac and cheese in the old Canteen cup, and we're gonna fry up our spam on the old GI lunch set here. All right, let's do it. Now, before we get started, I want you to take a look at the ingredients here. You see that? You can give it a pause. That's spam. That's all it's got in it. It really doesn't have a whole lot of ingredients in it. And our luncheon loaf, well, they got some fillers and stuff going on there. You see that? And if I can find a picture of the treat ingredients, I'll include that, because I think that treat stuff is real similar to this. So only you pay 88 cents more for treat. There we go. Yep, she's burning. Now, if y'all buy the deluxe Kraft macaroni and cheese, it comes with a cheese sauce, not that powdered stuff. So you can cook up your pasta and then put the cheese sauce in there and just give her a mix. Real easy. Random camp flavor. All right, y'all, we got a boil going in with the noodles. And these particular noodles, they're only supposed to microwave for like 3.5 minutes, so they don't need to boil long. All right, while that's cooking up, let's see if we can't slice off a little bit of this here spam and luncheon loaf. What you think? Here's you a little side-by-side, spam right here, Dollar Tree luncheon loaf. Not quite the same, are they? Let's see, I think I want 2 nice slices. There we go. And the luncheon loaf. Definitely has a little bit different texture. The Dollar Tree luncheon loaf is more like slicing a hot dog, and the spam has a little more resistance to it. There's Dollar Tree, and there's spam. Alright, so we're gonna throw those noodles right in there and put the sauce on them and mix it up. I'm gonna get rid of this. Hot. Turn my heat down really low here. Get myself a little Dollar Tree oil in the pan. Come on. Let's see, I don't think I can put all 4 pieces in. You could put 3 pieces in the pan, but I'm going to be pushing it with a 4, so I'm going to do 2 at a time. That's my little sawed-off camp spatula. That's a Dollar Tree find. If I lose it, no big deal. Let's see, we need some cheese sauce going in the macaroni. Before my wife and I hit blue-collar working class, this was a meal for us and the kids. Macaroni and cheese and fried spam. My little spam slice seems to be cooking up a little faster. It's browning up on the edges. I'll get you in here where you can see it. Oops, Dollar Tree spam. I think that's about good. Let's get round 2 going. Oh yeah, got a nice crispy edge going. Yeah, and back then we didn't get the cheesy sauce macaroni and cheese. We had that powdered stuff. Come a long ways. Now I don't know which one's doing it, but one of these is releasing a lot of fat. Last time I cooked up some Spam, it almost needed a little fat in the pan to get it going, so it might be the Dollar Tree Luncheon Loaf. Alright, I think we're good on this stuff. Whoops. No! I lost a piece of Spam, y'all. That's not good. Oh, man. I'm gonna tell you what, though. Like, if I'm in the woods, y'all, we're not wasting that. We're hungry. Get us a little water. We're gonna give that guy a little rinse. Make sure we get any funky stuff off of there. And then let's heat it back up. That wasn't good. Started melting my spatula to my pan. All right, we're calling that guy sanitized, cleaned, and ready to eat. My goodness. It's just some grass and dirt, y'all. It's okay. That right there is country boy goodness, y'all. Let's stay out of there, bug. Let's dive in and see if this Dollar Tree Luncheon Loaf is any comparison to the Spam. All right, y'all, let's see what we got here. And I guess we have to taste the Spam first because that's what we're comparing it to. All right, y'all, hands down, there's no comparison here, okay? Like texturally, my Spam, it's just a little softer than like a ham steak. It's got some chew and some bite to it. It's got a nice pork flavor. The Luncheon Loaf, that's a bad hot dog. That's what that is. It's a bad hot dog. And I like hot dogs, so you know, I like a good hot dog though, and that's a bad hot dog. That's your 99-cent a pack hot dogs. Yep. If you got the money, buy the Spam, y'all. But, you know, if you don't, you know, the dollar store Luncheon Loaf, it eats, okay? And go outside and buy some and cook it up. I'm not mad at you. You know, I eat cheap too sometimes. Yeah, it eats. Might have to figure out some way to do something with that. Look at this macaroni. Oh yeah. Man, that takes me back about 25 years. Spam and macaroni and cheese. Alright, so there you go, y'all. Buy the Spam, spend a little bit of extra money if you got it. If not, you know, Luncheon Loaf will do. It'll do. But you know what? We'll see you on the trail.